Hello student, this is Monica Sharma. Today we are going to start your chapter 5 lines and angles. In this chapter we discuss basic introduction of exercise 5.1. It means that if you understand this concept then you attempt question of this exercise easily. So you watch the video carefully and understand the concept. So firstly we start some basic topic, and you also know that which topic I tell you in this class. For first topic is your lines. So first topic is lines. So line is that whose point not fixed. It means that we can extend the line both side. हम लाइन को दोनों साइड से एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. मीन्स वी कैन एक्सटेंड टू दिस साइड एंड वी कैन एक्सटेंड टू दिस लाइन. सो द लाइन इज दैट हु हैज नो फिक्स लेंथ. एंड सेकेंड वन इज योर लाइन सेगमेंट. व्हाट इज लाइन सेगमेंट? Line segment is that who has a fixed length. We cannot extend both point. Means we cannot extend this point and this point. It has a fixed length. इसकी एक fixed length होती है. So that is called line segment. And ray. What is a ray? Ray who has a one point fixed and another point we can extend up to infinite. Means second point we can extend up to infinite. Second point को हम extend कर सकते हैं. Okay. So line, what is a line? Who has no fixed length. Line segment, it has a fixed length. And ray whose one point is fixed and another point we can extend up to infinite. So next topic is your angles. Is your acute, then obtuse, reflex, right, and your straight angle. Okay. What is a acute angle? Acute angle is that whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. That is called acute angle. Means whose measure is less than 90. 30, 60, 75, all these angles come in acute angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is that whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180. It means that this angle is greater than 90. That is called obtuse angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is that whose measure is greater than 180. That is called reflex angle. And right angle. Right angle, you know that the measure of angle 90 degree. Exact 90 degree angle we call right angle. And the straight angle whose measure is 180 degree. That is called straight angle. This topic you also read in your previous class. So in this chapter the new topic is your complementary angle. So we discussed what is a complementary angle. Complementary angles. So what is a complementary angle? Complementary angle when the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree. Means अगर कोई भी दो एंगल्स हैं उनका सम 90 के इक्वल आता है then we call the angle is complementary angle. For example, if you have two angle, one is 30 degree and another is 60 degree, and you ask that the given angles are complementary, yes or no. Firstly you add these two angles, 30 plus 60, 30 degree plus 60 degree. The addition come 90 degree. So we can say that the given angle is complementary angle. Similarly, if you have given an angle and you say that find the another angle, means if you given an angle 40 degree and say that find this angle, we suppose this angle be x and you have find this angle. So we know that the sum of complementary angle is what? 90 degree. So we add and write the equal 90 degree because of complementary angle. So here is plus, here going minus. We simplify this equation. So the other angle come to 50 degree. Okay. So what is a complementary angle? The angle whose sum is equal to 90 degree. And next one is your supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is that if the sum of two given angle is equal to 180, it means that को दो एंगल गिवन है और आप उनको प्लस करते हो, वो 180 के इक्वल आता है, then we say that the angle given is supplementary angle. So example, you given two angle 120 and 60 and you ask that the given angle is supplementary, yes or no. Firstly we add these two angle. The sum come equal to 180. So the given angle is supplementary angle. Okay. And similarly, if you given an angle that is 110 degree and ask find the other angle, कोई भी एक एंगल है वो आपसे पूछा हुआ है, आप इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, then put equal to 180. Why this sum is 180? Because you given in the question that the given angle is supplementary. If the angle given supplementary, then we write 180 equal to 180. Okay. So the sum of these angle equal to 180. So now we simplify this equation. So the answer come is 70 degree. Okay. So next is your adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle is that who satisfy the three properties. So what is the three property? First is common vertex. What is a vertex? If I have an angle, then this point where two rays meet, that is called vertex. So first is common vertex. Second is common arms. Arm, that is called arms. And third one, non-common arm. Non-common arms on either sides. If you have given an angle and you ask that you find the given angle are adjacent or not, so these three property satisfy. First is common vertex, common arms, non-common arms on either side. So we take an example here. Angle that AOBC. AOB, we write that is angle 1 and that is angle 2. So the question is the angle AOB and BOC are adjacent angle or not. AOB and BOC. So first is common vertex. Common vertex मतलब एक कोई कॉमन वर्टेक्स होना चाहिए तो दोनों एंगल में हो. तो AOB, वन एंगल इज दिस AOB एंड अनदर इज BOC. तो पॉइंट O जो है वो AOB में भी है एंड BOC में भी है. ये O पॉइंट दोनों एंगल में है. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट जो कंडीशन है वो सेटिस्फाई होती है, दैट कॉमन वर्टेक्स. सेकेंड इज कॉमन आर्म. कॉमन आर्म जो कॉमन आर्म मीन्स जो कोई भी आर्म होगी वो दोनों में क्या होगी, कॉमन. मीन्स वो दोनों एंगल में होनी चाहिए. सो एंगल AOB, BOC, OB. ये देखो OB, द आर्म OB also in AOB and BOC. So that is also satisfy common arm. So common arm क्या है यहाँ पे, OB है. नॉन कॉमन आर्म ऑन ईदर साइड. नॉन कॉमन आर्म मीन्स जो कॉमन नहीं है वो दोनों एंगल के अपोजिट साइड होनी चाहिए. देखो सो OA and OB in angle AOB. OA is non common arm because OA not come in BOC. OA जो साइड है वो BOC में नहीं आ रही तो इसलिए क्या है, नॉन कॉमन. सिमिलरली OC is non common arm in another angle. So third condition is also satisfied. So both angle are adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. So in adjacent angle these three property are satisfied. If three property are satisfied, then we say that the angle the given angle are adjacent angle. Okay. So your next topic is linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair is that if two angle make 180, it means that they have a straight line. इसमें हमेशा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ही बनेगी एंड द एंगल मेक 180. जो एंगल होंगे वो 180 होंगे. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी द लाइन फॉर्म लाइक दिस. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि इसी टाइप से लाइन बने, इस टाइप से बन सकती है. ये दिस इज अ लाइन एंड दिस इज अ लीनियर पेयर. एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2 and this is angle 1 and angle 2 and the sum of two linear pair is equal to 180. linear pair का जो सम होता है वो किसके इक्वल आता है, 180. so linear pair is what if the straight line which make angle 180. ये इस टाइप से भी हो सकता है, इस टाइप से भी हो सकता है. ओके. and the next is vertical opposite angle. In vertical opposite angle you remember one thing, that when two line intersect each other like this, when two line intersect each other, the opposite vertical angle are formed, they are equal, means that this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle. This is, we can say this 1 2, this angle we 3 and this say 4. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 4 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 4 equal to angle 3. Okay. Now we discuss exercise 5.1 in another video. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.